How to log out of MidJourney account. If you want to log out of your MidJourney account, it is very simple for us to do so. What we have to do is, first of all, if I open my browser and then I go to midjourney.com, you can currently see that I'm logged into my respective account. To log out of my MidJourney account, what I have to do is, from the bottom left, you can see the option called My Account. Just click the three dots icon next to My Account, and there you can find the option called Logout. So what you have to do is to just click the Logout button there, and once done, you'll be successfully logged out of MidJourney AI. That's all it takes for us to log out of MidJourney account. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.